Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this Volkswagen Scirocco in part exchange. It's the R line. Obviously, as you can see, it's got a few extras on it. So you've got the extra vents in the bonnet, aftermarket. It's been lowered. It's got different alloys on it. It's got side skirts on it. It's very tastefully done, actually. Privacy glass to the rear. Twin exhaust. Park distance control, rear wiper delete, the rear spoiler there, extra electric windows, mirrors. It's got the full leather interior. Just going to have an MOT, it's just going to be serviced. So 89 at 229 miles. Satellite navigation, media pack. It's all there. Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, different styles of driving. For its age, it's in lovely condition actually. R-line kick plates. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.